Hello students, so here we are for grammar class and I told you that about conjunction in the previous class. So we are with that chapter again, chapter 16 on conjunctions. So it's a continuation of that chapter. I told you that I'll be detailing the different three kinds of conjunctions that are there. So now firstly we have the coordinating conjunction. It is one that joins words, phrases, clauses and sentences of equal importance or equal rank. So here for this, the joining words for the coordinating conjunctions are, and, but, yet, or, for, so, therefore, and there are more than these that join two sentences, clause or phrases. Now coming on to the second type, we have the subordinating conjunctions. As the name suggests, subordinating conjunction joins the main clause and a subordinate clause denoting time and what are the factors that they say about. They denote time, place, cause and effect, contrast, etc. In subordinating clause, we have the main clause here and the subordinate clause, and the main clause is can stand on its own and the subordinate clause depends on the main clause to complete its complete sense. And now coming on to the third kind, we have the correlative or complex conjunctions, and as the name suggests, they appear in pairs or in a group and express correlation between the two conjunctions, like we have between elements that they join. The two sentences are joined by correlation, and the correlation conjunctions are as well as not only but also, either, or, etc. Now I'll be detailing this from your book, and just students now open your book on this chapter. So now students, you open your book on page number 150. Firstly, we have the first conjunction, that is the coordinating conjunction. So now we are going to study the table that is given below there. Coordinating conjunction of addition. Addition, and their function is joins two or more things, ideas of similar type, or it joins two sentences. For example, you have here Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh and B.R. Ambedkar were great freedom fighters. So this we see that they are of equal importance, like we have the leaders here, and they are being joined by and of equal importance. And like Meeta likes painting and Meenal likes dancing. So the sentences should be of equal kind that can be joined with and. Now we have the second type, that is it shows contrast, and the conjunctions that shows contrast are but, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, only, still, whereas and yet. And what is their function? Their work is to join contrasting ideas, like I am tired but have got even but not given up. And the second sentence we have, I will join the marathon, however my friend will not be joining. So here we see the contrast, that I'll do this and but you are doing that. Like this we join it with the contrast words. Now thirdly, we have the coordinating conjunctions of choice, and as the name suggests, we have the conjunctions as or otherwise. And now what they do, the ideas that denote choice, like will you prefer to have tea or coffee? So it's a choice between tea or coffee, and this is the coordinating conjunction of choice. Next we have, you must practice to drive alone, otherwise you will always remain dependent. So here also we can see that showing a choice. Now we have the fourth type, that is the coordinating conjunctions of deduction and reasoning. Like what is their function? Their function is to join ideas with a logical connection, and they are also used to denote cause and effect. And what are the conjunctions here for this? We have for, so, or, therefore. Means I did not wake you up, for you had slept late last night. So you're giving a reason, why didn't I wake you up. So here this is a sentence of reason used, and the conjunction here is for. You should try hard so that you succeed. So here also you have a logical connection here, that work hard so that you can succeed. I wasn't well, therefore I could not complete the assignment. So here also we see the reasoning given here. And now coming on to the subordinating conjunction, just turn your pages to 152. We have the function and the kind of coordinating subordinating conjunctions. So first step that we have is subordinating conjunctions that denote time. The first one is time. And what are the conjunctions is included here for denoting time? We have after, before, when, since, till, as well as, and until. So here we can see the sentences we hear. She will see you after the vacations are over. Every sentence here denotes something about time. Do not go until I tell you not to do so. So here also something relating to time. And the second kind we have cause and effect. What is the second kind of subordinating conjunction denoting? It denotes cause and effect. And the conjunctions here used are because, so, has, and whether. She has been punished because she was involved in a theft. So this is a conjunction used for denoting the cause and effect. Now the third function of subordinating conjunction is condition. So here the conjunctions used for this is unless, as long as, provided, that, so long as, if, while. So here the sentences that are given are I cannot exist until I am permitted. So here you see that these conjunctions they are denoting a condition. Now the next type of subordinating denoting contrast. So now what are the words used to denote the contrast? We have although, though, whereas, even if, and whenever. So here in this we find that there's a contrast, and the sentences here are I donated money to an orphanage, although. Also you can use though, any one of them you can use. Both are of the same kind, having the same meaning. No one supported the idea. Next one that you have, he is happy because he has won the prize. So here we see that these are the sentences showing the contrast. Now coming on to the next one, that is of reasoning. We have what are the words used for reasoning. We have some are the similar kind that we have because, as, and since. Here you have for reasoning you have he is happy because he has won the prize. So that's a reason given using a because. Next we have Kajal is exercising as she wants to stay fit. So here we find that the words shows the giving the reason. Now the next type that shows denoting is the purpose. And for purpose you have the word so and so that. We are rehearsing hard so that we can win the prize. So here the purpose is denoted by so or so that. And the last type that you have is denotes the place. Saying where, wherever. So I cannot recall where I left my car keys. So here you have where and wherever. Now coming on to the last kind that is we have is the correlative or complex conjunction. And correlative and complex conjunction, they always appear in pairs. Like we have the two kind of correlative conjunctions that are showing conjunctions of addition and conjunctions of choice. The first one is correlative conjunction of addition, and the conjunctions are as well as. You have both, then you have and, like Ram and Sham are very naughty indeed. Then you have not only, and with that you have but also. So whenever you are using not only, you also ought to use but also. Like speed driving is not only risky but can also be fatal. So this are correlative conjunction used together in pairs in a sentence. Then you have the correlative conjunctions of choice, like either or, neither nor, or whether or. So when you say the pizza is neither fresh nor tasty, so you are using both of them to join the sentence. So this is what you have about the conjunctions. So students, I think that you have a little bit gone through the chapter, and I'm quite clear with the idea of behind the chapter. So well enough. So what we do next is I'll complete with your exercises, and then the next video you'll be getting the exercises and just copy it down in your book. So this is all for today. Goodbye from me.